Hamaya po. Ariyo. Let's go. Let's go. Kataske Bastes versus Hayay sa ating elimination games. Limang by number 52, Steve by Peligro. 9 minutes and 54 seconds at the first quarter. 28, pass to Padre, spin move. Pass to 10 seconds shoot. Rebound naging rebound by Urbano. Urbano pass to number 10. 19 seconds shot clock. 19. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 52. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Taking 2 points. Number 19. 2-0. 9 minutes and 18 seconds for the first quarter. 13 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Aleo taking 2 nugget. Rebound by number 11. Pass to Urbano. Nagmamadali. Coast to coast. Urbano pass to Urbano 63 to number 19. To Aurelio 2 points. Number 52. Score 4-0 in favor of Kataske Bastes. Oras 8 minutes and 48 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Kalumpiano, 10 seconds shoot. Pass to number 28, all alone taking 3. Number 28, Marquez. Score 4-3 in favor of Kataske Bastes Soups. 8 minutes and 26. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. Hayay ball. Score 4-3 in favor of Kataske Bastes Soups. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Kataske Bastes. 8 minutes exactly of the first quarter. 17 seconds to shoot. Number 10 crossover move. Foul. Foul by jersey number 12, Aleo. First personal foul, first team foul. Seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Nugget, rebound by. Rebound by Alejo. Steal by number 10. 2 points, Padre. Change favor. 5-4 in favor of Hayay. Steal by Alejo. Now let's go Kalumpiano. Kalumpiano layup move. 2 points. Kalumpiano. 7-4 in favor of Hayay. 16 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. Nugget, rebound by Peligro. Nugget, rebound by Padre. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Aleo pass to Kalumpiano. Kalumpiano. 60 seconds shoot. Kalumpiano taking 3. Kalumpiano. 10-4 in favor of Hayay. Oras 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Number 10. 15 seconds to shoot. Short jumper, Nugget rebound by number 52. Is still again by Aleo. Pass to Kalumpiano. Kalumpiano na. Kalumpiano layup move. 2 points. Kalumpiano. 12-4 in favor pa rin ng Hayay. 17 seconds to shoot. To number 10. Pass to 13 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul by jersey number 63. First personal foul. First team foul. minutes and 41 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Peligro, pass to number 28. 28, pass to Colombiano. 10 seconds to shoot. Taking three again. Rebound by number 19. 5 minutes and 28. Nauna na si number 2 points. Number 10. 12-6 in favor pa rin ng Ayahay. Stand by for change 5. Stand by for change 5. Sa ilalim, Padre, 2 points. Change 5 na po. Change 5. 14-6 in favor pa rin ng Ayahay. Oras natin, 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Change 5 na po. Godela, pass to Melia. Melia. 17 second shot clock. Melia. Melia pass to Godela. Taking three. Nugget, rebound by. Rebound by. Number 18. Steal by Godela. Pass to number 52. Number 52. Foul. Foul by jersey number 28. First personal foul. Second team foul of Ayahay. Second 2, Aurelio. Score 14-6 in favor pa rin ng Ayahay. First shot is no good. Second shot, makukuha kaya ni Aurelio. One out of 2 by Aurelio. Score natin 14-7 in favor pa rin ng Ayahay. 14-7. Colombiano. 70 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Ball stays with. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Sa ilalim ng kanilang pasado, 2 points. Colombiano. Assist by Rompinas. 16-7. 20. Power move. Nugget pa rin. Rebound by number 52. Basket count by number 52. Foul by jersey number 33. Padre. First personal foul. 13 foul of Ayahay. Shooting bonus free throw. 28. 28. Second personal foul. 30 foul. Basket count. 16-10 in favor pa rin ng Ayahay. 16-10. 3. Nugget, rebound by Godela. Exactly 4 minutes. Godela block. Kalnako ni Aurelio 2 points. Aurelio 16-12. 3 minutes and 15. Seal. Spin move, block by Rompinas. Colombiano sa step move, steal by Melia. 16-12. Steal by number 28. Nauna na si Padre. Super shot, Padre, no good rebound by Rompinas. Out of bounds, ball stays with Ayahay. Score 16-12. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Peligro taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by Godela. 3 minutes exactly in the first quarter. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Ayahay. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Peligro. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Katasque Bastes. 16-12. Lamang pa rin po ang Ayahay. Aurelio. Traveling violation. Aurelio. 16-12 in favor of Ayahay. Sino na muna si Rubin sa ilalim? Padre short jumper. 2 points, Monsoon. Padre, 18-12. Last 2 minutes of the first quarter. 18 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds shoot. Outside the 100, no good. Rebound by Melia. 14 seconds to shoot. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Steal kaya? Steal by Gudela. 1 minute and 37 seconds. Melia all alone, taking 3. No good. Rebound by Pinatulang. Steal na naman. Steal by Sulit. Sulit. Pass to 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Rob Pinas. Pinatulang na naman. Peligro. Peligro pass to Colombiano. Pass to Pate. Foul. Foul by jersey number 19. First personal foul, second team foul of the Tasquebastes. Shooting 2, Padre. First shot is no good. Second shot is good. 19-12 in favor of Hayahay. 1 minute exactly. Block. Nauna na naman si Colombiano. Colombiano. No good. Rebound by. Rebound pa rin ni Colombiano. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 28. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul by jersey number. Sino foul na? Jersey number 2. First personal foul. 13 foul of the Tasquebastes. Shooting 2. Monsoon. Padre. First shot is no good. Second shot. Makukuha kaya ni Sir Monsoon. 1-2 by Sir Monsoon. 20-12 in favor pa rin ng Tasquebastes. Hayahay, sorry. Hayahay. 3. Dos lang. 2 points. 20-14. Shot lang off. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 5 seconds. Shot lang ko. 5 seconds lang po. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Basket count by number 52, Aurelio. Official score 16-20 in favor of Hayahay. And ball for second quarter. Susunod na po. Green ball. Next ball possession. Tasquebastes. Back to the ball game. Official score 20-14 in favor of Hayahay. Ako lang po. Binabati ko pala ang aking coach Segi. Salamat sa ating panalo kanina. Wow! Mati. Colombiano to number 28. Now, take it 3. Number 28 Marquez. 23-14 in favor of Hayahay pa rin. Melia. Pass to another Melia. 15 seconds to shoot. Melia taking 3. Foul. Ay, good ball. Good ball pala. Good ball. Walang foul ba? Okay. Intercepted. Steal by Melia. 23-16. Melia. Pass. Sulit. Lumipad. Hindi mo ba yung Kalupiano? Still again by Albino. Pass to another Melia. Melia ball shot. Rebound by Melia again. 15 seconds to shoot. Ball over mo by Melia. Melia wala mo. Doggy rebound by another Melia. Melia na naman. 2 points. Melia. 23-18. 23-18 in favor pa rin ng Tatas. Ay, Hayahay. Segi. Pass to Alejo. No good. Rebound by Melia na naman. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. What a pass! 18 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Segi. Segi out of bounds. Ball stays with Tataski Bastes. 8 minutes and 18 seconds. Score 23-18. Melia, fake shot. Melia, 1 under. No good. Rebound by Melia. Napakasipag naman nun. 15. Looper shot na naman. No good pa rin. Rebound pa rin ni Melia. Melia, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 11. Wala pa. 3 seconds violation. Nangitlog sa ilalim. Nangitlog sa ilalim si Melia. Sayang. Yan ang ulam po kanina. Itlog. Salamat po. Ropinas, sa ilalim. Ropinas, 2 points. Patrick Ropinas. 25-18 in favor of Hayay pa rin. 25-18. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Rebound by Ropinas. Nauna na si Kalupiano. Kalupiano, 1-on-1 kaya. Kalupiano bumangga, pero binigay ka Leo. 2 points. Leo. 27-18. 17 seconds shoot. 6 minutes and 55 seconds. No good. Rebound by number 11. Rebound by Segi. Segi speed move. Segi. 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 2 points. Joshua Segi. 29-18. In favor of Hayay pa rin. 2 points. Number 28. 20. Melia. 29-20. No good. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Melia, lumipad. No good. Di pa by Ropinas. Ropinas, pinag na naman. Isli na naman by Melia. 6 minutes and 10. Melia. 16 seconds to shoot. No good. Di pa by Segi. 6 minutes exactly. Paso Ropinas. Ropinas. Still by number 19, Sulit. Grabe si Sulit. Sulit talaga. 5 minutes 50. Sulit. Siya na rin nagbaba. Sulit. Wala pa sa Melia. 2 points. Melia. 29-22 in favor pa rin ng Hayay. 5 minutes 39. Segi, short number again. No good. Rebound by Sulit. 5 minutes 30. No good. Rebound by Segi. 5 minutes and 20. Kalupiano, speed move. Kalupiano, 2 points. 31-22. Stand by for change 5. Stand by for change 5. Taking 3. 3. Change 5 na po. Basket. 3 points. Step. 3. Change 5 na po. 31-25 in favor of Hayahay. 3 points by RJ Melia. (31-25) po, Segi. To Peligro. Paso Ropinas. Ropinas, short jumper ni Ropinas. 2 points. Patrick Ropinas. 4 minutes and 46. 33-25. 17 seconds to shoot to number 21. Short jumper no good. Rebound by Padre. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Yung tubig po, nasa gilid na po ha. Crossover by Segi. Segi, pass to Peligro. 15 seconds to shoot. Manuel. Manuel side stepping move. Manuel. 2 boys. Manuel. 35-25. Nugget, rebound by number 10. One na pa rin. Rebound by Melia. Melia, one under. One na pa rin. Rebound by Rob Pinas. Two boys. Padre, 37-25. 90 seconds to shoot. 2 points, number 21. 37-27. Eighteen seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot to Segi. To Manuel. 10 second shot clock. Steal by Lamsen. Half time, no good, rebound by Segi. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. Peligro. Traveling violation. Traveling violation. 3 minutes exactly on the clock. 3 minutes. Second shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. All you play 2 boys. Lamsen. 37-29. 17 second shot clock. Peligro. Taking 3. Peligro. 3. Mark Peligro. 40-29. In favor pa rin ng Hayahay. To Aurelio. 13 seconds shot lang Aurelio. Foul. Foul by jersey number 10, Patrick Ropinas. First personal foul, first team foul of Hayahay. Shooting to Aurelio. Sharp po sa nagsiga. Salamat po. Ang init tuloy. Oras, 2 minutes and 12. 40-29, lamang pa rin ang Hayahay. Last shot by Aurelio, makukuha kaya. 1-2 by Aurelio. Basket is good. 40-30, in favor pa rin, Hayahay. Manuel taking 3. Manuel, 43-30, in favor pa rin. Steal by Padre. Padre. To Peligro. Short jumper de Peligro no good. Rimonino. Rebound ni Melia. 1 minute to 43. Out of bounds. Ball goes to. Kanina po bola. Bola ng Hayahay. 1 minute and 30 seconds left. 17 seconds to shoot. Peligro taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by number 4. Crossover to Santiago. Pass to Melia. Pass to Lamsen. Lumipad. 2 boys. Lamsen. 43-32. Peligro. Nugget si Padre. Padre. Aurelio. Pass to Melia. Melia. Fake shot. Melia 2 points. 43-34. Last 50 seconds. 43-34. 90 seconds shoot. Manuel na naman. No good. Rebound by Lamsen. Paso Aurelio. Paso Melia. Nauna na si Melia. Melia binigay kay number 10. No good. Rebound by number 4. Santiago 2 points. 43-36. May timeout po kayo. Pwede po kayo mag-timeout. Still, 20 seconds na lang. Shot lang on. 17 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And at the second quarter with the score of 43-36 in favor pa rin ng Hayahay. 43-36, lamang pa rin po ang Hayahay. Yung tubig po, nandiyan lang po sa gilid, mga bro. Maraming salamat po. (43-36) in favor po pa rin ng Hayahay. Back to the ball game. Start of the third quarter. O score natin 43-36 in favor pa rin ng Hayahay. Yellow ball. Next ball possession naman po. Next ball possession naman ay sa Hayahay. Ha? Third quarter na po. Third quarter na. Third quarter na po. Third quarter na po. Kayo na po bahala magpaikot, mga bro. Nugget, 3-5. Nugget, 3-5. Lamsen sa ilalim, Lamsen. 2 points. Lamsen. 43-38. In favor of, ano pa rin? Nugget. Out of bounds. 43-38 in favor pa rin ng Hayahay. Good ball. 43-38. 15 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to steal by Robinas. Robbie sound na si Kalumpiano. Out of bounds. Ball stays with Hayahay. 17-second shot clock. 17-second shot clock. 9 minutes exactly. To Robinas. Robinas sa ilalim. Foul. Foul jersey number 52, Aurelio. First personal foul. First team foul. Shooting to Robinas. First shot is no good. Second shot ni Robinas is no good pa rin. Steal by Padre. Padre, tumira press. Pero pasa pala sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Lamsen. Lamsen sumagasa. Basket count by Lamsen. Foul by jersey number 77. Joshua Seki. First personal foul. First team foul. Shooting bonus free throw. Lamsen, 43-40. Is no good. 43-40 na po ang score natin. 43-40. 8 minutes and 30. Sa ilalim Robinas. No good. Nakakuha pa ni Lamsen. Lamsen lumipad. No good. 3-5. Ball goes to Hayahay. Next ball possession po. Hayahay po mamaya po sa jump ball. Nauna si Kalumpiano. Kalumpiano pick. Kalumpiano step back. No good. 3-5. No good. Rebound Nino. Rebound ni Santiago. Santiago pa rin. Santiago. Paso Lamsen sa ilalim. Lamsen. Paso Urbano. 2 points. Urbano. 43-42. In favor na po. Paret ng Hayahay. 43-42. Alupiano taking 3. No good. Rebound by number 4. Santiago. Nauna na si Urbano na naman. Ang ganda pasa naman ng 2 points. Change favor na po. Change favor. 44-43. Lamang na po ang katas. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Segi. 12 seconds to shoot. Sa ilalim ang new play. Foul. Foul by jersey number 19. Sulit. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Shooting 2. Padre. Oras. 7 minutes. 6 seconds. First shot is good. Deadlock, all 44. Last free throw, makukuha kaya? Is good. Change favor. 45-44 in favor of Hayahay na mga kaibigan. 7 minutes exactly. Melia, paso Urbano, tumigal ang tres. Urbano. (47-45) in favor mo ng Katas. 47-45, lamang po ang Katas. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds. Sa ilalim, Robinas. 14 seconds to shoot. Padre, short jumper, no good. Rebound by Aurelio. 47-45, lamang po ang Katas. 2 points. Lamsen, 49-45. Lamang pa rin po ang Katas. 49-45. 63. Basket count by Segi. Power jersey number 19. Number 19, third personal foul. 30 foul ng Katas kay Bastes. Bonus shot by Joshua Segi. 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Nugget, rebound by Aurelio. 47-49. 47-49, dalawa na lang po, lamang ng Katas kay Bastes. Steal by Robinas. Robinas pa rin. Robinas lumipad si Robinas. Basket. 2 points. Patrick Robinas. Deadlock. All 49. Rebound by number 10 sa ilalim. 2 points. Number 10, Gordela. 51-49. 5 minutes and 5. Second short jumper. No good. Rebound is steal by Padre. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal by Melia. No good. Sayang yun. Palupiano block by Lamsen. Foul. Foul by jersey number 52. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Katas kay Bastes. Warning for penalty. Katas kay Bastes. Substitution. Sampo. Pasok po. Sampo. Pasok po. Good ball. 51-49 pa rin po. Segi. Tukalupiano, short jumper. No good. Rebound by Lamsen. 4 minutes and 10. Gordela. Urbano, 2 points. 53-49. 53-49. 4 minutes exactly. Stand by for substitution. Yung sa 10, pakita lang po kayo sa akin ha. Salamat. 15 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Segi. 13 seconds to shoot. Padre, short jumper. 2 points. Pursuit, Padre. 53-51. Stand by for substitution po. Stand by for sub. 53-51. 14 second shot clock. Lagi. 3-1-5. 3-1-5 Padre. Nauna na si Columpiano. Columpiano. Wala pa rin. 5-0. Wow! Ay, ano ba ito, bounce? Out of bounds. Stepping on the line. Same ball. 17 second shot clock. 17 second shot clock. Next game po natin. Level Lifestyle X Clip Crew versus Pulate Moves. Sharon, di ba wala sa ating boss? Boss Ken Tenorio ng Clip Crew, ang ating league sponsor din. Pow! Power jersey number 10, score 53-51. Jersey number 10, first personal foul, penalty. Penalty, Kataske Bastes, penalty, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Aleo, no good? 53-51 in favor of Kataske Bastes. Aleo, no good pa rin, 3-5 Padre. 2 points. Padre, deadlock, all 53. All 53. Deadlock, all 53. 15 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Now give it, rebound. Out of bounds, sayang. Sayang yun. Hindi nakita. Substitution left. Substitution. Robin as in, Padre out. Timeout, standby for timeout. Standby for timeout. Pag nakashoot po, nakashoot ang high-high, pwede po kayo mag-timeout. Standby for timeout. Nugget, take over Peligro. 2 minutes and 5. Standby for timeout, Kataske Bastes. Segi. Timeout, ref. Timeout. Timeout. Kataske Bastes. Change favor. 55-53. Basket by Segi. 53-55. 1 minute and 56 seconds left. 1 minute and 56 seconds left. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game na po. Ating sa inyo ng Exhibition Unity Ballers. Challenge is always with us. Kataske Bastes, penalty na po kayo. Samantalang sa Hayay, first team call pa lang. 53-55, lamang Hayahay, dalawa. Lamang Hayahay, dalawa. 17 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to be back. Naguli pa mag Peligro. Peligro. Isla, kuha pa ni Columpiano. Columpiano rebound. Foul! Power jersey number 19. 52. Apon. Penalty. First shot is no good. 21, Lamsen. First personal foul by Lamsen. First, okay. Basket, 56-53. 56-53 po. 56-53. Foul. Foul by jersey number 20. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 2 pala yung foul, kani number 2. Melia. First personal foul. Short number, no beauty for Manuel. 1 minute and 10, 56-53 pa rin ako si Columpiano sa ilalim. No good, 3 for 5. to Lamsen. Already sa ilalim. 2 points. 56-55. 15 seconds to shoot sa ilalim. 2 points. Patrick Ropinas. 58-55. Steal again. 29 seconds left. Lamsen, no good. Now. Foul. Penalty. Foul. Penalty. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. Para po sa mga players, paayos na lang po yung mga parking natin. Sawag lang po natin iarang sa daan dahil may hawa na dadaan mamaya. Maraming salamat po. And glad, that's all. Shoutout sa iyo, the first shot is good. 59-55. Second shot, Emmanuel, is no good. Shot clock of 20 seconds. 7. 15 seconds. Foul. Foul jersey number 10, Patrick Ropinas. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Oras, 13 seconds na lang po. Wala nang shot clock. First shot is good. 59-56. First shot, last shot is no good. 59-56 pa rin po. 59-56. Shot clock off. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of the third quarter with a score of 59-56, tingin lang ang laban in favor of Hayay. And here we go for our fourth and final quarter. Next game po natin, another magandang laban, Tulani Moves versus Lemon Lights 9. Exclude Crew. Start to the fourth quarter. Start to the fourth quarter na po ating sa inyo ng Swiss Unity of Colors. Season 1 Papausik Challenge is always with us and also brought to you by Malacroti. The Season 1 Papausik, the Swiss Unity of Colors, official jersey. Then shoutout sa ating mga sirs and bros na nandito for today. Paayos na po ng mga parking natin, ng mga motor, ng mga kotse, ng mga bike, aeroplano. Basta wag lang po na mga sa daanan. Maraming salamat po. Start na po. Receive our peace. Side 7. Next game again, level life sa split group versus Pulatos. Oras, 7 minutes and 49. 7 minutes and 49, 67 Nakubo. At isa yan na Fusion View. Oras is so mabawang challenge. So, with you guys. Orlan. 18 seconds to pass Santiago. 15 seconds to Santiago. 2 points. 67-60. 67-60. 7 minutes 29 seconds. Manuel. Pass to Benito. Pass to Padre. 15 seconds to 13 seconds to second personal foul, first team foul. Are you ready to watch Johnson? 67-62. 6 minutes and 47 seconds left. Manuel. 10 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Steal number 10. Martin Alonso of Bangladesh. Up the number 2 more. 67-64. Basket by Hudson. 67-64. Rebound by Ryan. Peligro, 15 seconds to shoot. Peligro taking 3. Soldier, si number 21, Lobset. Ayan, Lobset po. Wala na. First personal foul, second team foul. Tatas ni Vasquez. Vasquez is good. 73-69. 4 minutes, Saudi in the fourth quarter. Crossover move. Under the basket, Vasquez is good. Lobset, 73-71. 73-71. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Second shot cover. 3 points. First ball. Second. 75 seconds. 3 minutes and 55. Now second foul. 2 points. 75 73. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Password. That's all. Shooting 2, number 10, Cortez. First shot, good. 75-74. Last shot, makukuha kay Bundera. 75-74. Tekla, o 75. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. In the fourth and final quarter, Romina, 213 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Good ball. They move on. Bola na. Atas si Vasquez. Well, second shot block. Second shot block. Dancing. Last. 12 seconds.
Save ball, save ball. Save ball.
12 seconds shoot. 13 seconds left. 12 seconds shoot. 12 seconds shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Grabe! Hindi ka naman, lawak din. Grabe. Lumilang sa kanila.
This is Swiss Basketball Liga for the game. For our next game is Lemon Square versus Bulate Moves from UFC.